Yo, it's good, YouTube. Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy, Mixedkhor. And today we back with another reaction video, man. Hey, before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn on those post notifications to be notified for all new bangers, man. And as y'all can see, y'all know I got my hair did and stuff. Hold on, let me turn this down real quick. So y'all can see I got my hair did. And I dyed my hair today, man. So y'all gonna see how it is when I take this out. But it ain't gonna be for a few more weeks before I take this out. But got my hair did, got a little haircut today. Getting ready for my little trip to go see my cousin graduation. Hey, in the comments, make sure y'all spam up happy birthday. No, spam up happy belated birthday, Kira, and congratulations on graduating. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all do that. And yeah, man, so yeah. We're gonna be reacting to best singing TikTok compilations. Again, part 2, basically, for my channel. It's gonna be part 2. So let's get right into it. Ain't no need to waste no more time. Which ear should I put this in? How about this? I got a challenge for y'all. If y'all can guess, if y'all can comment, nope, I won't that won't be right. Never mind. I was gonna say for my next reaction, in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna put a clip. And it's gonna say which ear. It's gonna say which earphone. Which ear do you think I'm gonna put my earphone in? And then when y'all comment, but then again, it still won't. Never mind. Make sure y'all subscribe. Blah blah blah. We're gonna get straight to this video. All right, what ear I wanna do? I'm gonna do this one today. Let's get right into it.
Can't take my eyes off of you.
Here we go again with him. The tempo kind of went down. It wasn't supposed to go down.
My mama's black, my daddy's black, and if you didn't know, my grandma's even black. My uncle's black, my aunts are black, and we always looking good 'cause we are snacks. We're also
Black. Okay, yeah, I like that.
When I first laid my eyes on you, I thought you were just like the other dudes. My reception came out to be so true, but I want you to know I'm not mad at you. As a matter of fact, I'm happy for you. I'm glad you went and found another boo.
Oh, okay. I didn't think she was gonna be that
into the unknown.
good. She got some pipes.
Oh my gosh, I did it!
And she's wow.
While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch, check on it. Dip it, pop it, jerk it, stop it, check on me tonight.
Wait, who are them? Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? I need a pen. I need a pen. I need a pen. This is all my music, y'all. But I'm gonna write this on there. She can sing too. I thought that was Miley Cyrus.
Me any.
Okay.
When I first laid my eyes
should be
He was
over
like, you
all
know,
the butterflies, but I'm into you.
I'm not mad at you. As a matter of fact, I'm happy for you. I'm glad you went and found another boo. Ooh.
okay. Well,
And after all this time,
she was like, oh, she's singing so effortless.
into you, I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you.
Whew. Goodness gracious. Hey. Hey. Okay. Yeah. Hey. Better hold that hand. Hey. Okay.
A titty on my ceiling. There's a titty on my ceiling. There's a titty on my ceiling. Titty on my ceiling. There's a titty on my ceiling.
I see
Whew.
true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let it show.
Oh yeah, he can sing.
True colors.
Yo, sing
He,
it, challenge.
I love you when you call me señorita.
I love it when you call me señorita.
Hey, okay, that was
and he can sing though, but people been on him, man.
When I can't feel a thing, and you say I'm strong. When I
I apologize. I keep moving, y'all. I gotta find out what they do TikTok is. Yeah, he.
Happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. I'm at a payphone trying to call. Okay, we need to go.
Sometimes you gotta lose to win again.
If the world
He don't do
was
that better
ending,
than
you
Avery
come
Wilson,
over,
but he almost there. But Avery Wilson, no.
over and you stay
That joke
the
didn't blow.
night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you come over, right? The sky be falling while I hold you tight, and there wouldn't be a reason why you would even have to say goodbye. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah.
There's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not
Come on, show me
someone
something.
who's seen the light. It's a condemned, it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Okay, she's okay.
Hallelujah.
There you go. I knew, yeah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hallelujah.
Okay, I knew she was gonna hit me with one. He sound just like.
You said that you could let it go, but I wouldn't get you hung up on somebody that you used to know.
Cut me off. Think I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live
Let's see if we can get one more good one.
into the unknown, into the unknown.
What? Are you kidding me? What?
You hit me like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night. You're the only one that I want. Tell me, do you like?
Okay, we gonna end it off of that. No, whoa. Now that's the way to end it. I don't know your name. I forgot what your name was, but that is the way to end it. Clap it up. This compilation was way better, y'all. Like, it was way better. I really appreciate watching this video because personally, I like looking at people sing. My mom used to be a singer, so I used to try to sing. You know, I got a pretty good voice, but you know what I'm saying? If I had a little coaching lessons, I'd be straight, but I ain't finna, I'm more of a rapper. But yeah, man, I really like this one. So I ain't gonna make this no further than what it need to go, cause y'all can see for yourself. We got some talented people on TikTok, around the world, wherever you live, it don't matter. We got some talented people. So hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, join the game, man. Turn those post notifications, man. And y'all already know it's your boy Mixedkhor, and I love y'all forever and always. Y'all my family. Make sure y'all get this video to at least 1 like, man. Roll to 5K, man. Let's get to it. And we out of there. Whoa, Dave. Whoa.